Hi there and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can start creating videos that not only look amazing but can actually earn you up to $70 every single day. You don't need any expensive gear and you do not need any editing skills. By the end of this video you will know exactly how to make it happen. So let's get started. So before we get started, I'm going to play a sample video of what I have done in the past, and that is the kind of video we are going to be making here in this particular tutorial. Let's look at the video.
Our hero is up against a literal giant. It's the story of David and Goliath. Now, David was a young man who was known for his bravery and his skill with a slingshot. One day, he heard the Israelites were in trouble. Their enemies, the Philistines, had sent a giant named Goliath to scare them. And sure enough, Goliath was huge. He was over 9 feet tall and wore armor that was over an inch thick. No wonder the Israelites were scared, but David wasn't afraid. He took some stones and faced the giant. Now, David could have...
So guys, you must have seen this kind of video in any of your social media platform, but what you might not know is how to make this kind of videos and how this kind of videos can actually generate you more revenues. I will tell you for free that there are many channels out there which are leveraging this kind of contents and are making good revenue of it, of YouTube ads, TikTok revenue, and Facebook and other social media platforms. You are going to be one of them by the end of this video. This is the start page. Come here, you see under this particular left hand side of your screen, click on AI tool to show you this. Now click on free AI video maker. Look at it here. Now scroll down, you are going to see different templates. You can see this template, you can see the biblical template, you can see the realistic theme, and you can see every other templates. You can view even more templates, but here we are talking about how to make biblical contents from Bible stories. So we are going to use this particular templates. So I'll click on this particular template and I'm going to write here the title of the video I want to remake. You can choose any particular title from Bible stories. You can say David and Goliath, you can say Moses and the Red Sea, you can choose anything that you want, but for here I'm going to give it a title which is David and Goliath. Now one thing I want you to know here is that you don't need to go to ChatGPT to generate a script for you to be able to make this video. All you need is just the topic right here. You can enter your topic and it will turn it into script. It will generate the voiceover and it will generate the media, the background music, everything you need to make a particular video. So let's get started. So I'm going to enter David and Goliath as the title of this video and I'm going to hit generate. So it will take some time to generate. As you can see here, it's generating the script, and after the script it's going to generate the voiceover, it's going to generate the media, and of course it's going to generate the background music, making the video a whole lot engaging. Let's see how this video turns out to be. So this is the video generated. Let's play it and see how good it is.
This is the story of David and Goliath. Goliath was a giant from Gath Philistia. He was so tall that people had to make sandals out of his skin. One day, David, who was just a young boy at the time, was tending to his sheep when he saw Goliath and his army approaching. David wasn't scared. He just grabbed a sling and some stones and started slinging.
So this is the video. Let's look at other things we can do from this platform. We can change the voice over. You can listen to every of the voice over available here for you and choose which is preferable for you. You can actually toggle to media and change the media, but I like the media that the AI automatically generated for me. You can also switch via here to 16:9 or 9:16, but my aim here is to upload a YouTube short or a TikTok video, so I'll go with 9:16. So there are a whole lot that you can also do on this platform. You can actually generate a script and paste here, and the AI is going to generate a video based on your script, and that is pretty simple. If you have been following my YouTube channel, you would know how all this are done. So first, to do that, you can go to ChatGPT and write to ChatGPT, write a short Bible story about Moses parting the Red Sea. So, and you see the kind of story here. You can copy it and then come back to this particular video platform and paste the script here. Then once you are done, you can choose the duration, whether 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. And then once you do create, it will override this video and it's going to generate a whole new video based on your script. For time, I'm not going to show all of that. You can practice that on your own. All I did in today's video is just to provide a title, which is David and Goliath, for the AI, which automatically wrote the script and generated the media, the voiceover, and the background music for me, which is pretty much simple. So let me show you how you can export this video. Click on export. You can choose a title. Let me just put David as the title of this video. You can see the quality. It is recommended, but I'll go with high. I'll go with 180p, and I'm going to click on export. Let me wait for this video to export, and after exporting, we are done with the creation of this video. After now, I'm going to play the video and let's see if it is almost the same with what we watched in the beginning of this video. And with that, you can actually go ahead to make videos like this and upload on your social media channels and then hope to make money from it.
This is the story of David and Goliath. Goliath was a giant from Gath Philistia. He was so tall that people had to make sandals out of his skin. One day, David, who was just a young boy at the time, was tending to his sheep when he saw Goliath and his army approaching. David wasn't scared. He just grabbed a sling and some stones and started slinging. The first stone hit Goliath in the forehead, and the giant fell down. David ran over and beheaded him with his own sword. People often say that David was a small guy with a big heart who stood up for what he believed in, even if it meant going up against the biggest bully in school. And that's why we love the story of David and Goliath, because no matter how big and scary our problems seem, we can overcome them with courage and a little bit of faith. That's all for now. See you next time.
And that's all for today's video. You've just learned how easy it is to create videos that can bring in up to $70 a day. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future tips. And if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.